Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel Talented Homemaker. So this is the first video for Talented Homemakers Craft Corner, and I'm very excited to do it. I hope you guys must be too to see it. And yeah, if you like it, then do give a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and comment down below what else you want me to make. So in this video I'll be showing you the must-have craft supplies and some extra ones which are to die for. So the first set of craft supplies are the papers. These are a pair of normal plain sheets which we all need for craft, obviously, and then the black plain sheets. These look great, very good effects on some things. Then foam sheets. Foam sheets are just adorable. Then glitter sheets, of course. And then we always use quilling paper. These are adorable and they always are a great help. Then colorful post-its. So, the next set is for paints and paint brushes. So Fabrica acrylic colors, they are always of great help and we all need them for sure. And then paint brushes, round. You can also have flat brushes, but I usually use round, so these are round brushes. And then I have this pair of neon acrylic colors. They are just amazing and they look so adorable. Their effect is also very nice. Look at this neon pink. They have neon, then fluorescent green and orange. The scissors. Oh, look, we should always have a pair of large and a pair of small scissors. Then the next set is glue. Of course, we need it for craft. The most used is this white glue, and it is amazing for craft. Then this super glue, it's always of good help. And of course our favorite glue gun. You should always have a pair of extra these glue sticks. I'll show you glitter. You can have it of as many colors as you want, but I'm showing you just 2 right now. Then these markers, they are to die for. I'll show you their effect. Look, they look so adorable. They are of great help and they look so good on black sheet. Then M-Seal. You can use it in any craft. You can have different ideas with it. It's amazing. Of course, pom-poms. Then these artificial flowers. You can get them in any store and they're really cheap. Then these googly eyes, they are adorable and we all love them, of course. Then this is a pair of sticks, and like they are of great help actually if you try making something from them. They're amazing. And then you can always use some kind of beads and beads are of great help, like these beads, and then something like this if you have. They are just adorable. These bead stickers, they're just adorable and to die for. You can get them anywhere and they are of many shapes and sizes. Look, they're just amazing. These soft pastels. They're just amazing, and they come in so many colors. Look, they're so soft and so smooth. They help you create a great effect. Always get some type of good like if you are a stationery collector, then obviously you can have these holographic pouches are nowadays very famous. And well, I didn't buy it, I have made it on my own, and I can give you a tutorial. I made it 1 month ago, but that time I was not having this channel, so I can give you a tutorial next time. If you want it, then comment down below. These wires, they are of great help, and you can always use them. They come really cheap, like for 1 rupee or something. All these craft supplies that I showed you right now, they are really cheap, and you can get them anywhere in your local stores, and they are always of great help, and you can always use them, like always. So that's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more contents. Just comment down below if you want any type of videos from me. I'll surely make it. And so I guess that's it for today, and yeah, bye bye.